Okay, I must say that this matte finish for a pink color doesn't look that appetizing. Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Type Tech, and I'm your host, Nash. Today we are going to do an unboxing, which is the series I call it What's in the Box, episode 11. We have SoundPeats TrueAir 2. Right, so it's time to unbox the SoundPeats. We are going to see the specs right now. Alright, so why do I buy this? Because as you can see in the specs, it says it has QCC 3040 using CV 8.0 noise reduction technology, Bluetooth 5.2, Type-C charging, IPX4 water resistance. It is a aptX, and it can last up to roughly about 5 hours average. You might ask, why though you should buy this? The reason is very simple: QCC 3040, Bluetooth 5.2, and the aptX. Because the aptX is quite efficient, that you don't need the gaming mode. Whether it's a very strong contender or not, we need to see. And I am interested in the 3040 QCC technology, because if you can see in the leaderboard right now, in the current standing for the how fast challenge, the leaderboard for the first place currently is still the Halo GT1 Plus, which has a 3020 chip. Will this do better than that? We shall see. If you want to know what is the pricing I bought, it is about 39 SGD, and it can go as high as 49 SGD, so depend whether you get it on sale or not. And next, what are the colors available for the SoundPeats TrueAir 2? This model has 4 colors. It has black, white, green, and pink. The green looks like more like a bluish green to me, so it's depend on what you can take from it. And the one that we have here is the pink color, because I'm sick and tired of black, which I will still buy more blacks in the future. But anyway, it is pink, and I want to know how nice it looks like. So let's go. Alright, okay, so the packaging is now over. As you can see here, it says again 3040 Qualcomm, aptX, and 25 playing hours. Alright, so how do we open this? Okay, yep. And the first thing you will be greeted with the customer care and the logo update. Okay, you can see the SoundPeats old and new. Okay, next you take out is the pink cover. It's pink cover. Okay, it's interesting. Okay, so other than that, inside is the instruction manual. Yep, instruction manual. And here should be the it's only just the Type-C. and it's a white type C. I expecting different color, but never mind. Other than that, that's all for the packaging. Alright. Okay, so we are greeted with the earpiece. It has a plastic foil, I mean plastic wrapping, and it's actually quite flat. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Pink color. It looks like a, okay, just say remove. And now it should be connected. Alright, it has battery. Yeah, the light is on. As you can see, there's a battery indicator right there. Battery light, I mean. For battery indicator, there's nothing other than the type C here. I believe this is the light indicator, and other than that, there's nothing else to see. There's not even a label written here. So how's the magnet? Ooh. Okay, quite strong, not bad. And oh, I just noticed that there's a logo says SoundPeats inside, and the logo, just the logo outside. Simple enough. For my first impression, currently is actually quite slim. So you want to compare the O1006 and also the Baseus W07. So as you can see, in terms of flatness, it's about roughly the same. Yep, same. But in terms of width, the TrueAir 2 is slightly bigger compared to the W07 Pro, and also obviously it's slightly bigger, more bigger than the O1006. So I will be back with the pairing phase. I catch you all later. Right, welcome back to the pairing phase. And I have used this for a couple of hours and played some songs, played some games, and so far it is actually quite good. The very first thing I noticed when I use this is that, damn, this is bassy. Like, the very first thing you can feel is the tung, the boom. Just every time you hear the tung 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 tung, it is a bit more powering over the vocals. So if you like those EDM songs, those songs with a lot of beat, like drumming and stuff, that is actually quite a good earbuds to try. I mean, it's a good earbud for you to play on. Well, so far I like how it feels. The feeling, the texture of the earbuds. If you want to know how it looks like on my ear, there's a picture right now. So as you can see, that everything is like a matte finish, even the earbuds, and it's quite nice compared to the some of the earbuds, especially the earbud area. This one, some of them I have reviewed, is very glossy. It is very glossy that when I put on my ear, it picks up oil very easily, which will cause me some discomfort for some of the earpiece, unfortunately. Even though there's no earbuds that going to annoy me, but it is just the fact that the sweat that accumulate will make it uncomfortable. But this is not the case for these earbuds. Well, like I say, it is a bit bassy. So if you want to hear one of the songs that I like for this, to use these earbuds, it shall be the song called Sacred World by Suilen. That song is from an anime opening called Assault Lily. So yeah, it's a very interesting song. You should check it out. It is one of my more favorite song that I've listened so far. And yeah, the hinge is actually quite solid, I must say. As you can see, it can stays on its own without me try to let gravity do its work. And I feel it's actually quite premium. The feel is actually worth the $39 so far. And other than the fact that it is a bit more bassier, and also that it has only IPX4, I'm willing to have that compromise of the comfort and also the app text that is available in this earbud. And if you want to know what are the controls, you can see right now. As you see that this time it is a single tap on the left and on the right to change volume, double tap to play and pause, press and hold on the left and right to move to the next or the previous or the next song, and also triple tap for the voice assistant. So in my first couple of hours of usage, if you tell me this is actually $39, actually it is actually worth the $39. But I must say that this matte finish for pink color doesn't look that appetizing. I mean, it's not that appealing to me, so that's quite a bummer. Maybe I would like the green color more, or maybe I just go back to the standard black, like this kind of matte finish. But so far the build quality is good, the sound is also quite solid, and also pretty much that is all I can say for the earbuds. And for the next episode, I will bring this to the latency test in the series that I would call How Fast. But before we move to the How Fast section, we would have another contender for the SoundPeats TrueAir to compete with in the next episode of What's in the Box, episode 12. We would open the contender right here, which is called the SoundPeats TWS. What a better way to challenge the SoundPeats with its own brand, which is also another SoundPeats. So if you want to know more, I hope you all can leave a like down below. And if you want to see my unboxing of the SoundPeats TWS, please hit that subscribe button and also ding that notification so you will not miss the episode I will be releasing soon. So this is me, Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya. We have the SoundPeats TWS. Alright. This True Engine 3. Motherfucker.